Hi guys, thank you for watching my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mandy. If you like the content here, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be cleaning out my closet and putting up a closet organization system, just because you'll see when you look at my closet, there's just one rack going across the whole length of the closet, and I need more space. I need to be able to put my jeans up, I need to be able to fold sweaters and shirts, and I don't have the space to do that right now. So please continue watching.
Tomorrow for sure.
Okay, so I just finished cleaning out my side of the closet. There was stuff that I need to throw away. I need to sort. I had a lot of winter clothes up. I didn't get a chance to take out my summer clothes, so I need to organize that. But I also noticed how disgusting the wall looks, so I think I'm going to paint that before I even put up the new clothing system. So everything, I did vacuum. Oh, a little. I did vacuum, but look at the wall. I want to paint that before I hang anything up in here. It'll just make it feel complete. I'm not panning over to the other side because that's my husband's side, and I'm not doing his side, I'm doing mine. Okay, so as you can see, I finally got the racks down. It took me a while. I decided to leave like these little hooks here. I'm gonna see if I can reuse them, because if I don't need to have to drill into the wall to reinstall it, then I'm okay with that, because that would be just extra work. So now I'm just gonna paint, and I'm just gonna try to paint around these clips. Hi guys. Okay, so this is day, I don't know, 246. I don't really remember. Life has happened. I haven't really been able to make it into the closet. Juneteenth happened, and then we did like a little mini barbecue with my in-laws. Um, and then there was an issue with the bar being too long, even though I got it for a 5'10" closet, and it said 4 to 8 feet for the kit. I had to still get a bar cut, so I had to go to Lowe's, since I'm boycotting Home Depot, and get the bar cut. And then after that, I ended up going out with my mother-in-law. So now I am finally back in the closet. So I really don't even know which day this is. But I did make some progress. I had a lot of trouble with this closet system. I do not recommend it, just because it's a little chaotic and it's a little bit difficult, but this is what I got up so far. So as you can see, I got the main structure up. These two screws I was not able to get in. I'm gonna do another one there, but the rest of them I was able to get in, and I was able to attach it to a beam. So I hung that up. Now I just have to get the rest of this just screwed in. I did these. Now I just need to do 2 more screws here, and then pretty much hang up my clothes. But it's been a project. As you can see, I painted, but those areas that I had spackled, well, so pretty much the pre-existing holes that we had there that was holding the closet rack that I originally had in there did not work for the system, so I had to take it down. Then I ended up having these big old holes in my wall, so then I had to spackle it, and then I ran out of paint. So I'm just like, I'm not painting. I'm not going to the store to get any more paint, because I am over it. So I'm just assuming that my clothes is going to cover it, and then it's not going to look too bad. But this is where we are at. Okay, so I had some of the racks and shelves up just to see how I want to lay out the closet. And I figured I would go back in and drill it down once I was happy with how I had the closet set up. And you can see me here just struggling to get the racks out. For whatever reason, they kept locking into place. But that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just trying to get everything out so I can actually screw everything into place the way I want it to look permanently. It was giving me so much pushback. It was so difficult. This closet system is called Closet Made, and I saw a couple of them on Wayfair. Not the Closet Made system, but Closet Systems period. And I was going to get it from Wayfair, but I've had issues with Wayfair furniture in the past. I mean, things would be missing, screws wouldn't be there that should be there, holes would be in places that they shouldn't be. So I was like, well, this is a cheaper alternative, and then maybe I'll do something more permanent and more fancier later on. So I just decided to buy this system and see how that went, and biggest mistake of my life. Anyway, I decided that I'm just going to power through it. So here I'm just adjusting the the drill bit so that I can drill a hole and then I can get the screw in there. And I was hitting beams in some places, so some places I had to like really push. Luckily for the lower ones, I was able to get the screws all the way in. But at the top, there was 2 of them that I couldn't get all the way in. And it was just a pain in my butt. Okay, so I finally got the system up. Took way longer than I wanted it to. But I was just testing out where I was going to place some things. I'm going to hang longer items over here. Then I have like scarves, earmuffs and gloves and stuff here. I have wristlets and like little tiny like satchels and purses here. These are t-shirts because they were in my drawer and they could not fit in my drawer any longer. I'm thinking that at the very top I'm going to place like all my tall handbags. Jeans probably would be like on this shelf, and then I'll probably do like long sleeve shirts and sweaters here maybe. I don't know, I'll play around with it and see how I want to do it. Or maybe I'll do like sweaters here, and then I don't know, maybe some blouses down here. We'll figure it out. I'll be back. Okay, so I finally finished. This is it. So I put the purses up top like I originally said, and then these are my wristlets, scarves, earmuffs, and gloves and such. These are all my long dresses and long jackets, mainly summer stuff, but I got like some party stuff in here too. And then I have my jeans here, some dresses, some dress pants, sweaters, sweatshirts, and some sweatpants. These are all t-shirts. There's actually 2 layers of them back there because I have a lot of t-shirts. And then this is all of my blouses and then some additional tops and stuff. I was able to purge a lot of stuff just because I didn't realize how much stuff I was holding on to that I can't even fit. So I threw a lot of stuff away, which makes me feel a little bit relieved, but I got some winter stuff in here, but I packed a lot of winter stuff away too. So I know it's going to be a pain, like, you know, when it's time to switch out all of the summer stuff and put it back in the closet. But this is everything, and it was definitely worth the project, even though it took me 5,000 days to do it. I'm happy with it overall. It's a lot more organized. And then there's some stuff in that little bin down there too. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you like this content, please remember to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video specifically, please give it a thumbs up. Any suggestions for any further videos, just comment below. Have a good day.